Lumped circuit models can hold good only at low frequency, resistance, inductance, capacitance, and the element values depend on structure and dimensions of the physical element. So at circuit theory, lumped circuit model is valid. Now come to the high frequency. F is 30 GHz, lambda is 1 centimeter, resistor dimension is 1 centimeter. Now inside the resistor itself, you see at this point of the resistor it is 0 phase shift, at this point it is 180 degree phase shift, at this point it is 360 degree phase shift. So within the resistor itself, you have the phase variation. So here it is V angle 0, here it is V angle 90, here it is V angle 180, V angle 270, V angle 360. So what you try to see here is in high frequency, the voltage and currents are functions of both distance and time. So the voltage at 0 centimeter will be different from voltage at 0.5 centimeter, voltage at 0.75 centimeter. So if I want to represent the voltage, I should use voltage as a function of both distance and time. So there is no other alternative. I have to use an equation for voltage and current which has both space and time. That is why we cannot use circuit theory for high frequency where I need to go for transmission line theory. So in the case of an antenna, you have a balanced transmission line and a dipole. So the energy which is confined between the two lines, now they radiate from this. So in transmission line, we have the field confinement within the two wires, and in the antenna we have the radiation where you have three-dimensional fields. So in a transmission line, which is a wire which is connecting the source to the antenna. So this is a transmission line, this is an antenna, so I have a source here. This is represented by a signal source and antenna is a load. So you see the dimensions of the transmission line, since the distance of the wire is considered, you have to consider the transmission line theory, and then the voltages and currents vary along the distance of the transmission line in this fashion. So you have voltage varying with respect to the distance as well as time in a transmission line.